Imagine getting paid for promoting your products and your services absolutely free. This is what I need to talk to you about in today's video because I feel that this is a great opportunity, and if you take on this opportunity, this could make you a lot of money. Now, I have a YouTube channel and I take it for granted sometimes that I have a way of promoting myself, letting people get to know me and so on. So if you really think about it, if you create a YouTube channel, you're similar to having an ad on TV. But even better, a lot of people, majority of people now have mobile devices which have access to YouTube and social media and so on, which means if you create content on social media, you're going to be visible on these mobile devices. And guess what? These mobile devices can be accessed pretty much on the go anytime. Now, if we compare this to TV, TV could only be watched at specific times after work, after school, and so on. But with mobile devices, we carry them every day, which means every time we get bored, you're pretty much scrolling. So the idea with this video is to talk about an opportunity that you can jump on, which is very, very, very powerful. Now, let's say you're a web designer or you sell products or services and so on, and you'd like to sell these to as many people as possible. Now, guess what? You can use social media alone to achieve this, but all social media platforms are not created the same. And this is why I need to talk about one social media channel which beats the rest and why. So we have Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and so on. But one thing that I want to talk to you about is if you take a look at YouTube, YouTube is not only a video platform. In fact, it's a search engine. Now, what does this mean? This means that when people are searching online, some of the results are also YouTube videos. And this is super powerful. Now, there is no other social media out there which is as powerful as this. Now, let's talk about another aspect. If you create videos on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on, they're not really searchable. I mean, they can stay on your channel, but they're not really searchable. Only the people that follow you can pretty much see them on the timeline, and sometimes they may not even see it. But with YouTube, you can create a video which is 5 years old, and this video can still be ranking when people search for it. And this is super, super powerful. So just remember this, YouTube is also a search engine. So why should we use YouTube if we want to grow our businesses as a freelance designer, as a product owner, or pretty much if you have any service? Well, it's very, very easy to use, and if you create your content, sometimes you can be paid for it. Now, if you take a look here, I have my channel analytics, and you can see that this month alone, I made 832. Pretty amazing. So just by doing my YouTube videos, I can actually get paid for promoting myself for free. And guess what? Your videos can last on YouTube for many, 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 many years. I mean, this YouTube channel has been there since 2009, I think, and it's still there. My videos are still there. Now, imagine if you were to host these videos on your own. It's almost impossible because it's too expensive. So this is why I'm saying if you really want to be a freelance designer or you sell any products or services, you need to really consider using YouTube. Now, creating your videos doesn't necessarily have to be difficult. Now, our mobile devices are so powerful that you can actually vlog or create videos on these devices. In fact, the camera I'm using right now is an iPhone. Think about it. This could not be done a few years ago. So really think about it and consider creating videos. Now, here comes another angle that you also need to be aware of. When creating these videos, create them for search. How-tos. These are very important. So let me give you a very good example. Let's say you're a freelance web designer and you'd like to create some videos. Well, you can start creating videos on how to make your website rank for SEO, or how to make a website rank in your local area, how to create this type of website, why you should use these certain colors. Now, all these topics I'm talking about are relevant to anyone that wants to create a website for a small business. So what happens now is when people start searching online, chances are they want a solution, which is maybe a website designed, and they're searching on how to find brand colors, for example, and they land on your video. This is an opportunity now for you to be seen by these people who are searching for your services, especially if they are local. This is very, very, very powerful. Now, when they come to you after you've made a video about the importance of choosing your colors correctly or whatever it is, chances are they are not really coming to ask you if you can design websites, because you are already talking about these topics. Now, I get a lot of emails, people asking me, can you design a website for me, and so on, because I've put countless videos out there on web design. So this is why they're asking me. Now, if I didn't have any videos online and no one knows, who I am, what I look like, and so on, chances are they are not going to just find me randomly for my services. And this is why YouTube is very, very powerful for promoting yourself. Now, I spoke about search engine. I also spoke about doing your videos and making sure they are on a platform which is very, very good in terms of being able to search the videos. So the next thing you want to do now is, once you create all these videos, you need to share them now on social media pretty much everywhere. You need to share them as shorts. You need to share them pretty much everywhere, talking about your services and your expertise. Trust me, after you've done this, you are going to find that there's a lot of opportunities that are going to come from this. I've had a lot of opportunities myself. In fact, as I create YouTube tutorials, I'm getting companies who want to work with me. I'm also getting offers, job offers, even promotional opportunities. I'm even getting options to design specific videos for specific companies. So all these are opportunities that can come out which you have never even thought of. So I would highly suggest that you create a YouTube channel, start practicing. If you're not comfortable on camera, just do screen recordings. I will be doing another video talking about which software to use to record your screens, because this has really worked for me and I would like this to really, really work for you. Now, what do you guys think about this video? Let me know in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.